Bangladesh is opulent in biodiversity and home to the world's largest mangrove forest named Sundarban. With mountainous east and 600 kilometers coastline possessing the world's longest beach. With 147,570 square kilometers, Bangladesh is surrounded by India and Myanmar at the apex of the Bay of Bengal, parted from Nepal and Bhutan, holding the position of 8th most populous state on earth. Bangladesh is listed as one of the next 11 emerging markets with per capita income of $1,314 and GDP of $206 billion, embracing the second highest foreign exchange reserves in South Asia. In May 2015, Standard & Poor's awarded Bangladesh a BB- long-term credit rating. As forecast by HSBC, GDP might climb up to 7% in the last span of 2015. Depending on the 7th five-year plan to implement SDG, the government is striving to achieve 8% GDP by 2021. To make the dream come true, the private sector requires financing of around 34% of the total GDP. As stated by the Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina's government's 7th five-year plan, to elevate export earnings from $30.7 billion to $54.1 billion by 2021, the objective has been set to promote direct external investment from $1.6 billion to $9.6 billion. To accomplish the gigantic task, by Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina's undaunted prescription, the government has embarked on a number of infrastructure developments like flyovers, metro rail, 8 lanes Dhaka to Chittagong highway, and a 6-kilometer-long Podda bridge, which might escalate 1% GDP. Additionally, to construct a deep seaport and to meet the mounting electricity plea, 2,000 megawatt nuclear power plant has been started up. To provide enormous facilities to the investors, the government will have set up 100 economic zone, ensuring low-cost gas and electricity. The World Bank opines, among the South Asian countries, Bangladesh holds the second position for the stress-free far-off investment and the first position for the deep sea port. Taking on these opportunities, 445 companies from 37 countries have already invested in these EPZs. Democratic Bangladesh has a rewarding relationship with the neighboring nations. Overall, World Bank Chief Economist and Vice President Kaushik Basu impeccably assumed Bangladesh is ready to take off.